The last chantress of Moanalua Valley, Namakahelu Kapahi Kauo Kamehameha, was born in the mid-1800s in Paliuli, Moanalua. As her name, the Eyes of Prophecy, foretold, she sensed the changes coming to Hawaii and sought to keep the mo'olelo of Moanalua alive for future generations. Her legacy of perpetuating Moanalua's history through the ancient art of chanting is embodied in the Namakahelu Oli Award, given to a chanter who personifies her ideals in cherishing this legacy of Oli traditions. This year's 5th annual award is presented to Kumu Hula and Master Chanter, Manu Boyd.
Yeah, I'm very honored to be given this Namakahelu Chant Award. I've been involved in the Prince Loud Hula Festival for many years, both as a dancer in Halau Nakamale, Olili Lehua, as a Kumu Hula in Halau Ke'ali, Kumakani, and so I'm honored. I didn't really expect this. But I guess when you get to a certain point in life, it's like if people want to, acknowledge, things that are positive and that are maikai, then I'm very humbled to receive this. So mahalo anui. So Oli is a way to energize the message. It's to make it sweet, it's to make it profound, it's to make it subtle, it's to make it funny or fun. And you can try chant really high. That's not how I normally would chant, but can. And then you try go really low. And so you have, and then right in between, which is normally where I would go. But your own voice, you can do all kinds of things with it, and you want to have it, have your voice reflect the sounds that you've heard before from others who knew what they were doing, and then also the sounds in nature. We hear the kaniana manu, ke'imanava, we hear the chirping of the birds, and the little the ha'i in the voice sometimes can remind you of that. So I feel pretty good. I don't think I'm the best chanter, and I'm absolutely still learning with everything. The more you learn sometimes, the less you think you know. That goes for hula as well, and just things in life in general. I'm very honored to be a part of a really strong hula family, and I want to say mahalo anui to my kumu, Robert Uluvehi Casimiro, and to all the many other kumu hula and others that have influenced my way, the kupuna in my family and the kupuna in our community. Mahalo anui loa for putting me on a path and giving me a great foundation.